Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I kind of wanted to do a little update video of this screen protector right here, the Whitestone Dome Silk screen protector for that inside display of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So about 10 days ago, I released this video right here, a full installation video installing this screen protector on the inside display of my Z Fold 3. And since then, I've gotten lots of questions about it. I've gotten a lot of comments about it of people, kind of reading reviews on it saying that about after 10 folds, it breaks on them or breaks on other people, or after about 10 hours of usage, it cracks in the middle, it's no good, or they see air bubbles. I've been getting a lot of comments on this video about different issues with this, or just kind of people scared to install it on their device, and also asking if it voids their warranty on their Galaxy Z Fold 3, because in order to install this screen protector right here, you do have to take off that existing inside screen protector that your phone comes with. So if you take it off and no damage happens to your display, it doesn't void your warranty. But if you do take off that pre-existing screen protector and you do happen to accidentally damage your display, yes, it does void your warranty to be able to get a free screen replacement. I do believe that your Samsung Care Plus should still be able to cover that, but of course you do have to, pay whatever it is up front in order to have that fixed, but it does void your free screen replacement. So again, if you take it off and no damage happens, it does not void your warranty. At least that's what I've read, and that's what I've been told by a Samsung representative as well over the phone, because I did have to call just to make sure for myself as well, because in that video I did risk it. I risked it for all of you guys. So just out of appreciation for that, just please, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come for this device right here and many other devices. But today I just kind of wanted to do a little update and show you guys how this screen protector has been holding up. Has it cracked on me in the middle? Have I started seeing air bubbles? Has it started peeling up? And honestly, it's been holding up great. If anything, it looks a whole lot better than the day it did that I installed this. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. All right, here we are. Let's go and take a closer look at actually both screen protectors here, because I actually did install one on the outside here as well. And as you can see, it's held up great, even with a case. As long as you get this screen protector nice and center, it's going to be compatible with pretty much any case. And you can even use this case right here to kind of line yourself up when doing it. I didn't do it in the video. I kind of just eyeballed it behind camera. Still ended up with 2 air bubbles. As you can see, there's just a tiny one right there at the left and a tiny one right here at the top right corner. Again, it was done behind the camera, but it still came out pretty good. As you can see, still compatible with the case. The case does not push it up because it leaves just enough space all the way around to where the case does not hit it. So as far as this front one goes, it's been holding up great. Now going over to the inside one, this is the exact same one that I installed on video, and one way I can prove that is, if you remember, or if you haven't watched it yet, go back and watch my installation video. At the end of that video, I did end up with some air bubbles right here at the top right corner. And again, that was all done behind the camera as well. And I think I did a pretty good job for installing it behind the camera. But if you look up here, I still got some of those air bubbles. Let's see if we can get it here on camera. I still got some of the air bubbles. Some of them did go away, but some are still right there. You can barely see them. So over time, they do go away. But this is that exact same screen protector. And look at this. It's held up great. No cracks, no scratches, no fingernail marks. I ran my fingernail over the screen protector just to see if it would leave marks. I mean, I'll do it here on camera, and I don't have the longest fingernails, but look at this. I'm rubbing my fingernails all along it. Pretty tough. Look at that. Banging my fingernail on it. Let's take a look at it now. Look at that. Nothing. All you see is my fingerprints, but no fingernail mark. It's held up great. The crease has held up great. There's no cracks going down the crease. Look at that. It's looking good. And it responds good as well when using it. When you're using it, it feels like real glass. I mean, it does not feel like a plastic screen protector. It feels like a real glass screen protector. And even on the box, I believe it says it's thin glass. I showed this in my last video, ultra thin glass. So as you can see there, you're going to get that experience of using a real glass display. It doesn't feel like I'm even using a screen protector, to be honest. And you can't even tell it's on there when the phone is on like this. When it's off, you can kind of tell if you really look close at the edges. You'll be able to see it. It does leave a little space all the way around, as you can see there. So it does leave a small space all the way around, but that's just to make it easier for you to take it off for when you do need to replace it. But other than that, it's been working good. Like I said, I've seen comments to where they say it breaks after 10 folds. Let's give it 10 folds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, as you can see there, It's not gonna break on you as long as you follow the instructions correctly 100%. And exactly like I said in the video, make sure you don't have any air right here before you continue putting this screen protector on. You're gonna be good. It's going to come out good. But like I said in that video, I mean, you're doing it at your own risk. Don't do it just because I told you to. Like I said, I took the risk for you guys. So you can see that it is doable. It is possible to get this screen protector on good without damaging your display. After that, I mean, the rest is on you. If you want to decide to do it, then hey, go for it. If you feel that confident in yourself, go for it. Because honestly, I think it feels great. It feels a lot better than a plastic or film screen protector. Like I said, it is a super thin glass and it feels great when using this device, but it has held up great. I have no complaints with it and I have no regrets as far as putting this on my device. Oh yeah, and one thing I forgot to mention, yes, the Fold S Pen is compatible with the screen protector. You don't have to worry about it damaging the screen protector or anything like that. It works perfectly fine. You're not gonna scratch it up. You're not gonna damage it or crack it. I've been using it with this screen protector since I've put it on here. And as you can see, it works great. So you don't have to worry about it at all. Yes, the Z Fold 3 S Pen is compatible with the screen protector. So to answer all the questions, if it's holding up great, if it breaks on you after a certain amount of use, like I said, it's already been 10 days. I folded and unfolded this device many times, and look at that, no damage has been done to the screen protector. You know, over the next couple of weeks or months or whatever, if something does happen, then yeah, you know, maybe I'll make an update video about that, but we can't also expect it, you know, to last forever. I mean, it's there to protect that display. So if something does happen to it, at least it's happening to the screen protector and not that original display on your device. But I don't know, you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Have you already got one for yourself and installed it on your device, or have you been thinking about it? Does this video kind of make you more confident now that it will be good on your display as long as you follow those instructions correctly? Because like I said, as long as you follow those instructions correctly, you should be fine. You shouldn't have any problem. Like I said, I did this behind a camera, so it was even harder for me. But I'm pretty sure, you know, if I wasn't doing it behind the camera, I probably wouldn't have gotten those air bubbles at the top right corner. But y'all let me know what you think. I'll have a link for this down in the description below, as well as my installation video, so you guys can follow along with that. This is just to kind of be an update for you guys to let you know how this screen protector has been holding up, how it's been feeling, how it's been looking. And as you can see, I have nothing but positive things to say about it so far. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.